Anytime something is new and it resonates, sometimes what happens is it first starts in the mind. And for example, we start reading every book on the subject, and it's a very cerebral process. And that's great because we need the mind and we need the mental understanding to some extent. And then we have to descend that though into our heart. And this is where I think empaths typically live, is just absorbing the weight of the world. But when you're only stuck in the heart space and you're only in that empathic space, yes, it's good that you're connecting with everyone and everything, but you're going to fall into an overwhelm. It's like, yeah, you might not be overwhelmed up here, but now you're overwhelmed just emotionally. So that's why this descension into our core, our solar plexus, is really, really important because this is the space, the core is the space of our own individual selves. So it allows us to understand how to not take on everything, but still stay connected if we really descend, because people only live in the core, and then that's just narcissism and being conceited and not caring about other people. But it's the balance between the head, the heart, and our own center. And so a lot of soul volume is really just what does it mean to really descend those three areas, and specifically through the process that creativity illuminates. So that process of sitting in the discomfort, sitting in that space of the unknown and unfamiliar. And at the end of the day, it's allowing yourself to play and let go. Like the final step of anything creative is you feel everything, you know everything, and then you just have to let it go. And a lot of times I forget that final part is just let it go.
Let it go.
Sometimes I'll just hear something in my dream and I'll wake up and I'll try to play it on the piano and lock it in. And then I'll be so set on doing exactly what I heard. Um, that sometimes I forget to, it's like that's just your entry point. That doesn't need to be the final product. It doesn't need to be there at all. It's just an offering to get you started.